Mais là, comme il y a... Oula, son sac. Hello, Mr. Mitchell. It's me and my friend Mathilde.
Hello.
You have seen Mathilde in Short Story of My Life number 10 when we are on the beach together with Celia. Anyway, today we are in Montmartre. It's Sunday, the weather is cold, the winter arrived, and we're working together, we're talking about life, about love, about you, about Edith Piaf,
Yeah.
and that's all. What's up? You speak English not at all. You can speak French.
Yes, it's possible?
Yes, of course it's possible, because you are French.
Je sais pas quoi dire.
Bienvenue.
Bienvenue, à bientôt à Montmartre. Pas mal.
Welcome and see you soon in Montmartre. Mr. Brendan, have a good night. See you tomorrow for the next short story of my life, perhaps with Mathilde or not. Bye bye.
Bye bye.